Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you are one of the lucky few to lay eyes on this video, to be able to see this introduction video to my channel, to my brand on YouTube, then you have my respect. If you follow what I teach on this channel, I can guarantee you will not just improve as a developer, not just as a 3D designer, you will improve as a person. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Contraption. I am not that well known yet, but I am building my brand. I have around 5 years of experience on Roblox as a developer. I started out as a builder in 2019, using toolbox models when I was still in school. And I was just letting my imagination run rampant and creating anything that I could think of. I later transitioned into modeling, and I got my commissions on the server Hidden Devs. And back then, 1,000 Robux was a lot in a commission. My goal was to make a little bit of Robux so I didn't have to spend my real money on the platform. And now I do this as a job in 2025. It's been 5 years now, and I transitioned from a builder to a modeler to a VFX maker, back to a modeler as my main profession, my main niche as a developer, and it's been a fantastic journey. Now in 2025, my goals are to help people. My goals are to not just improve myself, but to help you turn the hobby of Roblox into a business. If you take this seriously enough, you can make many profits from this platform and help people at the same time. I want to make you from a mediocre developer, a mediocre modeler. And I want to turn you into a captivating piece of art. Things that you create pop out. The moment somebody opens Twitter, they see your work and they're like, I want to hire this person. I want to help you turn yourself into a brand. With these 3 things alone, you can retire yourself. People make millions on this platform, not Robux, USD money, tangible money you can spend. But you will only get to the top if you make this transition to the right. Ladies and gentlemen, this was one of the models I created in 2022. This was still around the time when I was sort of still doing VFX. I wasn't very good at it at the time. We didn't have flipbooks back then. This was close to the time when custom rigs released. So back then, if you were on the platform for that era, you had to weld parts together, meshes, in studio. There was no rigging in Blender or Maya or whatever platform you choose to use. And now in 2024, I created this as a practice sculpt. I'm not even selling it. I'm not even using it. This is the difference. I'm not the best developer on this platform, but I certainly improved a lot the moment I actually started taking these things seriously. So I urge you to join my journey in teaching you, improving myself, showing you the authentic side of being a developer with 5 years of experience here. You can learn a lot from me. You can change your life by watching these videos. So subscribe to my channel. Share this message, join my journey in me helping you become the person you always wanted to become. This isn't just videos about me telling you, okay, we're going to talk about topology on a model today, what is considered good or bad topology, how to rig a mesh, how to do anime style on the models you make. I want to teach you how to become a good developer. I'm going into the psychological principles I learned that 10x'd my productivity, that brought me from 0 USD over to all the money I make currently. I'm going to teach you the fundamentals and differences between making your own game and working for commissions. What makes a good game owner? What makes a good developer? Not everybody knows this. Just because you're a good developer and create high quality work does not make you a professional in the line of work that you're in. It does not make you a professional developer. So if you're either new to Roblox, if you're either trying to expand your knowledge on the platform, if you're either having constraints or lacking in certain areas, watch my videos. This is the first video I'm posting. It will be pinned on my homepage. Join me before the boom. The moment it happens, I will release things that will change your life more than anything I can teach you could. Now, with that being said, are you ready? Now, with all of this being presented to you, handed to you on a silver platter for free, are you ready?